Congratulations on welcoming a new cat into your home. This is the beginning of a wonderful journey filled with joy and companionship. You're in for a world of purrs, cuddles, and playful antics. Your new feline friend will bring endless entertainment and warmth to your life. One of the first things you'll want to teach your feline friend is how to use the litter box. This is an essential step in ensuring a harmonious living environment. Don't worry, it's easier than you think. Cats are quick learners when it comes to their bathroom habits. With a little patience and the right approach, you'll have your cat going potty like a pro in no time. Positive reinforcement goes a long way. Remember, cats are naturally clean animals. They spend a significant amount of time grooming themselves. They instinctively want to bury their waste. This behavior is ingrained in them from a young age. We just need to provide them with the right tools and environment to do so. A clean and accessible litter box is key. This guide will give you all the information you need to make litter box training a breeze. From setup to maintenance, we've got you covered. We'll cover everything from choosing the right litter box to troubleshooting any issues that may arise. There are many options to consider. Let's get started on the path to a happy, well-adjusted cat and a clean, odor-free home. A little effort now will pay off greatly in the long run. Remember, every cat is an individual, so be patient and observant. Each cat has its own unique personality and needs. Your furry friend will thank you for it. The bond you build will be rewarding and filled with love. The first step to successful litter box training is choosing the right equipment. This decision can significantly impact your cat's comfort and your overall experience. Cats can be picky about their bathroom facilities. They have their own preferences and quirks that need to be considered. A little thought now can prevent headaches later. Investing time in selecting the right litter box can save you from future frustrations. Size matters. Your cat needs a litter box that's large enough for them to comfortably turn around and dig in. A cramped box can lead to accidents outside the box. A good rule of thumb is to choose a box that's at least 1.5 times the length of your cat, from nose to tail base. This ensures they have ample space to move around. Next, consider the type of litter box. The design can influence your cat's willingness to use it. Some cats prefer open boxes while others feel more secure in enclosed boxes with a lid. It's all about what makes your cat feel safe and comfortable. If you're not sure what your cat prefers, start with an open box. It's generally more inviting and less intimidating for most cats. You can always switch to an enclosed box later if needed. Flexibility is key in finding the perfect setup. Finally, think about your cat's mobility. The location and design of the box should accommodate their physical needs. If you have an older cat or a cat with arthritis, you may want to choose a box with lower sides for easier access. This small adjustment can make a big difference in their comfort and willingness to use the box. Once you've chosen the perfect litter box, it's time to move on to the next important step. Selecting the right litter can make a big difference in your cat's comfort and hygiene. There are many different types of litter available, each with its own pros and cons. From clumping to non-clumping, scented to unscented, the choices can be overwhelming. For most cats, unscented, clumping clay litter is a good option. It's effective and widely available. Clumping litter forms solid clumps when wet, making scooping a breeze and keeping the box cleaner for longer. Unscented litter is best because cats are sensitive to smells, and strong scents can be off-putting. Cats have a keen sense of smell, and overpowering scents can be very unpleasant for them. Avoid scented litters, as they can irritate your cat's sensitive nose. This can lead to your cat avoiding the litter box altogether. Also, steer clear of litters with strong perfumes or deodorizers, as these can also deter your cat from using the box. A clean, neutral-smelling litter is usually the best choice. Experiment with different types of litter to see what your cat prefers. Every cat is unique, and their preferences can vary widely. Some cats prefer clay litter, which is known for its excellent clumping properties and ease of use, while others prefer natural litters made from pine, corn, or wheat. These options are often more environmentally friendly and can be a great choice for eco-conscious pet owners. Where you place the litter box is just as important as the box and litter itself. The ideal location is one that is easily accessible to your cat, but also in a quiet, private spot. Avoid placing the litter box in high-traffic areas, such as hallways or near doorways. These areas can be too noisy and distracting for your cat, making them less likely to use the box. Cats also appreciate a little privacy when they're doing their business. So, avoid placing the litter box in areas where your cat eats or sleeps. If you have a multi-level home, it's a good idea to have a litter box on each floor. This ensures that your cat always has easy access to a bathroom. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe, and leave a comment below